strawberries, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be showing you the fidgets we have. We mostly only have puppets except one in the fidget cube. But yeah, so I'm going to be showing you them. So, and by the way, this is my first video. So, and before we start, make sure you subscribe, like, and hit that bell so you never miss one of my videos when I post. So let's get started. So first we're gonna start with the green puppet, the square puppet, and this was our first puppet, and there is 36 of these to pop, this little thing. So yeah, we got this one from eBay. It's like this. Yeah, so and this one cost like £2, like yeah. So now we're gonna pop it. So this. So this is like because in the poppets it's like this hard one, and then there's the other side is the clicky part. So yeah, this one is the green one, and this one was our first puppet. So this is the next puppet. It's a purple one. It's like this, and this is our second puppet, and it costed £2 too. And it's like this. It's purple, and there's 28 to pop, so I counted them. So now so this is the hard part, and this is one of the hardest puppet we have. Like it's quite hard when we press on it. It might not look like it, but it's actually is. So this is the hard part, and this is the clicky part. So this is the second one we have. So this is our third puppet. It's the ice cream one, and it's my favorite one. It's like so nice and pretty, and like the both sides, like they clicky, like they do it fast. So this is like that's not the clicky side, but it's so like it's not hard. And as you can see, this actually says the alphabets, and it says 1, 2, 3, 4 here, and then over here it says 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yeah, so this is the alphabets. Then it goes to the numbers. So yeah, and now look at this part. This is my favorite puppet. So next, these came together because they were from the season. And by the way, the ice cream one costed £3, and these ones costed £2. They were not. So they came together. So we're gonna do the yellow one first. So this one's actually good, and these were the last ones I got. So like they're like this, and then this is the clicky part. It's really like a cloud. And then we have this one, the orange one. Okay, now we're gonna do this part. So they came together. The last fidget we have is this infinity cube, because my sister really wanted one, so we got one, and it's yellow and blue. So they're like these, and like they're like cubes, and you can move them like a lot of sides like this. This is how the fidget cube works. So these are all the fidgets we have. these are all the puppets and the fidget toys we have. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.